ಇದು ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವರ ಅಭಿರುಚಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಂಥದ್ದು ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಫಿಲಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದವನು.
Very shame on Mr. Kumaraswamy. We should not, for his stature, we should not speak like that.
ಆ ಮನಸ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ 702 ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಯಾಳಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರಿಗೆ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೇರಿಸಾರಲ್ಲ ಆಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಇದು ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ ಸೇರಿಸಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರು. ಅದು ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
Sorry for Mr. Kumaraswamy being such a senior leader. And why did he keep such a man in his cabinet? Let it go visit the consciency. Let he ask for having shown a blue film. People of Karnataka, people of Kanakpura have elected me. 1 lakh by margin. It's the history of Karnataka. And don't ask the people whether should does such type of things happen. If he proves, if anyone tells that I have done such type of illegal act, I am ready to quit. It is a very shame on Mr. Kumaraswamy. We should not, for his stature, we should not speak like that. Knowing well, why did he not open his mouth when he contested the election against me? Why did his father, my Indraji theatre, it is called Indira Gandhi Theatre, it is Indraji Theatre. I did it on the memory of it is in my personal name only. I only was doing business. I only was doing theatre shows. Okay, he is a frustrated man. When his father contested, he could have said to the public. When he contested, when he lost against me, he could have spoken there. No, ask him to come, and now there is an opportunity for him to campaign. Let him come and speak.